Today we've got the 1957 Ford F100 to Ford Explorer chassis swap. Okay, while Mr. YouTube guy's doing his spiel for the algorithm, I want to touch base with you. I'm nervous as hell about this bed fitment. I'm trying to get the bed on this Explorer chassis without shortening its wheelbase, and for it to appear like a normal F100. Seems like it's going to work, and it's super close, and it's always going to be super close because the original difference is only 3.7 inches. See if the bed fits on the Explorer chassis or if we're just spinning our tires like usual. And even worse, on to plan B, total strip down, cutting the frame, shortening the drive shaft, getting a different fuel tank. Ooh, this is judgment day for this build. Now back to algorithm YouTube guy. Build some quick exhaust. We've got some great ideas for that. Get the thing to fire, and boom, you got a truck. And if this works out today, it's gonna streamline this whole process. There's a good chance this truck's a truck in 3 or 4 weeks. All right, so let's see if this thing fits. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of nervous. It's so close. Please fit, please fit, please fit, please fit.
Yeah, can we do the straps just kind of?
They're in there. I'll just pick them up when you get over there.
I'll just back out here and.
Okay. Look good, Bill. Just come.
Let it down a little more.
It's on the. Actually, let's pick it up and move it that way or forward. Let's say 4 or 5 inches. You're on those big shocks that come up through that rear end.
Is that high enough?
Yep. Just come forward. A little more.
It's like so touchy.
I know, right?
A little more.
Yep. Okay, right there. Now set it straight down. Let's say right there. Can you hold what you got? I'm gonna just get some things to mark it.
You need any pictures or anything?
That's probably a good idea. This worked. It definitely clears now. These hit, spray painted underneath the bed where they were hitting. I'm definitely gonna have to lop this off. About here. Sucks, but I feel like I can implement this back into it, even if it's just inside the frame rails. It's really hard to tell where that bed gap is without being able to get the bed on it. So I'm gonna cut the floor out of the bed where I need to. I'm gonna cut this off for now. Yeah, I'm gonna push it back in the shop, cut the back off. Just kind of eyeball where I need to cut and cut it. Yeah, on to the next step. If you're impressed with that rotating head you just saw, be sure and enter last week's contest to win a grinder just like this, a Mugg Customs T-shirt and a sticker pack. You've still got time to enter. Contest ends Wednesday, 6 p.m. my time. So I've got a little hack on this stuff and it works for me. Anytime you're cutting something that's a tube like this, where it's this way, this way, this way, then back up, typically I'll cut the top and then I'll cut down. And so at that point, you have a cut line that you can reference. If you just keep from putting that death wheel blade in a bind, you can roll that cut under that tube and cut that bottom straight, as long as you're matching this cut. I don't know how else to explain it. So here's your top cut, here's your down cut. And you can see the daylight. You can see if you track this cut with your cutoff blade going across, it's gonna automatically cut straight. And then there's my bottom cut. Now all I've gotta do is connect this one to this one with a straight edge. The bottom cut will match the angle of this, and all of this will match side to side. reflexes. That actually scared me. So I need, let's call it 2.5, 5. The golden phrase is rust. Enter the form in the description below for your chance to win an auto-dimming welding helmet from Art Captain, t-shirt, and some stickers from Mugg Customs. Alan, we can pick it up. It is on a lift.
Well, I don't know if you wanted to work down here or not.
No, I don't.
Okay, well, let's raise it up.
Now I would say the next step is cutting the holes in the bed floor to clear this stuff. Once that's done, we throw on another test fit. Should we get gloves? Let's get gloves. You ready? All right. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, this. What was that noise? Okay. That's not a bad deal. Let go of it.
I think it's gonna fall.
You think it's gonna fall?
Maybe.
Nah, we're golden. Okay, so that's where I marked it. I think I just do straight panels. Right there, right here. And that way it's easy to patch, work around, build around, whatever. So I'm gonna do that before this falls on somebody. First things first is how far up? We'll say 12 inches. Oh, this is lovely. Something's on fire. Look. I mean, do I put it out or do I let it clean out the bed rail? I guess I should put that out. Is it in the bed? Oh, look. Right there. Huh. Yeah, let me put that out. It's steamed. On 3. You got it. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yeah, you're coming our way.
Oh,
Okay. Okay. First mock-up of the tank in with the truck. I'm gonna have to section some of this cab right here just for the fuel pump assembly. And I'm not sure how much room I'm gonna have for a cab mount on that side. It's gonna be tight. This side we've got plenty of room. I can definitely put a mount here. I can keep mounts here. I'd do more than a self-tapper, of course, but
and then we'll do a front mount somehow.
I'm not gonna cut any of that until we know where the bed sits. So I'm gonna let it down and I'm gonna roll it outside. That way it's easier for all of us to manipulate the bed on. And then once that's back on it, we'll see if there's more of it. We got a section out of the floor. And then if not, hopefully it all goes on. That's all we gotta do. The bed gap looks good and I don't have to cut the frame. That's good.
Is the frame bolted? Is the cab bolted down, Braylon? Oh, you did? Okay.
Yeah, I mean, it's just, it's got temporary brackets, but it is bolted down.
Gotcha.
Company's over, Braylon, so we got to measure.
Yes, that company's over.
Just,
You're gonna throw it away anyway, aren't you?
what's that?
That piece
No.
of the bed.
Nah. I need it on something else.
Lord, have mercy. It ain't gonna hurt. It ain't gonna hurt to cut that out.
Or
Honestly,
just let it pop up.
let it pop up.
Yeah.
Then we can play with it. Yeah. Good thinking. It open down there.
And I don't know. I gotta
Nah,
cut
it's
it.
too far back.
Yeah.
Too far back.
Try that.
Man. Well, there's still hope.
Oh yeah, I mean, we just.
That's
cut it.
where it's fun part now. Back of the cab, center of the wheel.
Yeah.
Where you at? Right there?
Yeah, pretty close.
43.
43 even.
43 and 8, I think. But
Okay.
yeah. Same
what-
truck, same year and everything?
Same body.
Okay.
43 and an 8. You
Yep.
said.
Yep.
That looks like
40 and 8.
40 and an 8.
Yeah, so you're 40. No, 40, it was 43 before.
And
So
then
you're 40 and a quarter right here. Exactly.
So 3 inches.
2 and 3/4. No, less than 2 and 3/4. 2 and 5/8. 2 and 5/8 out of the frame. I don't know if that's center. I was just kind of looking.
No, there's no way to really know.
No.
You know what I mean?
But if that came forward 2 and 5/8, it put that wheel right there.
And that'd be.
It'd be
'cause
right
it's
there.
supposed
That'd
to
be pretty damn close,
Yeah,
dude.
'cause it's supposed to be in the front of the wheel well on both of them. Man, I was hoping that to work.
Honestly, if it was me, I'd take the wheel off and position it where I want it in the shop and then measure it, you know what I mean? Center of the hub to center of the wheel. You want to pull it off, you want to put it in the shop?
Now we better pull it off because I'm going to have to pull the cab off too. Probably cut it.
Alrighty. Oh, you want that corner?
Ready?
Ready? Easy cruiser, Whittles.
Try picking it up.
Hey! All right, that's good.
There we go.
Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, you do have a nice section there.
And under the cab there, it gets straight for a while.
Man, right here's really good. Right here, really good section. You know, push it in the shop?
Yeah, let me get this high dollar extension cord out of the way.
Got scrap wire out of there. Bless your heart.
Hey man, you got to live with what you got.
I know you're,
Just above the
man, with your
popular
kind of money, get more.
Hell, I think somebody gave me that, to be honest with you.
Somebody donated that.
All right. Well, what size T-shirt y'all wear? Let me get you some T-shirts.
Nah, I don't need no t-shirt.
Man, don't back talk me. I wasn't
Hey, that don't back talk me. You talk tough on this camera. He goes, I'll knock your head off. I said, you better contract that out.